Mag-book na kamo diri sa Liz Transient House. We accommodate 16 guests. We are located in Camellia South, Bacolod City, Philippines. We are fully furnished with 4 rooms, fully aircon. We have 3 bathroom and shower. Ano pa ang inyo ginaulat? Book now. May ara man kami garden sa gwa sang balay. Pwede ka mo kasugba-sugba or pwede ka mo ka chill-chill. May table man sa gwa. Malapit man sa government center. 7 minutes lang. Hindi gid malayo. Sa town, 18 minutes. Located lang kami sa Camellia South, Tangub, Bacolod. Okay. Check it out, our video. Madamo niya salamat. God bless you all. Thank you.